It's just a scary situation for a parent.
Frustrated and concerned. Those are the emotions of some parents whose kids told them about a disturbing incident on the school bus.
Yeah, parents in Hoover say that this happened yesterday. Their kids who go to Bumpus Middle School got home late. Hoover City Schools told the parents there was an incident on the bus.
It's scary to hear about this going on the bus. Number one, parents need peace of mind.
Michael Armand usually meets his son at the bus stop around 4:30, but on Wednesday, nearly an hour later, the bus was still a no-show.
There have been some late days before, so I wasn't worried just yet. Any number of things could happen on the road that's causing them to be delayed, so I never once thought that it was going to be something of this measure.
Armand's son made it home before his parents got notified the bus was delayed or told why. According to his son, it started when a boy on the bus disturbed some of the other students.
Was just taking chewed gum and just throwing it up, and I guess trying to get it stuck on the top of the bus. And then, so one piece landed on his on my child's Chromebook. He said he just flicked it off and just tried not to engage the child. But then there was one that fell on the seat of a girl riding the bus, and she actually did say something.
He says when the girl went to tell the bus driver, the boy threw his book bag at her, hitting her in the back of the head. Armand's son told him the hit drew blood, the girl was dizzy and throwing up. Hoover Schools confirmed the police responded and medical treatment was rendered at the scene. Now Armand is calling on the school system.
I really think that the Board of Education has got to come up with a better communication effort for the parents. I can't find out 50 minutes when it's way too late. I already know there's been something wrong, something has already happened.
But not every parent who had a child on the bus is upset with how the situation was handled.
The reality is in those emergency situations where you have things that are unplanned and you're having to think fast, and from a defensive standpoint as the bus driver or emergency personnel, I'm really the last one that needs to know. I would have liked to have known sooner. That would have helped my logistics, but my kid was safe.
I reached out to Hoover City Schools about the incident. In a statement, I was told Bumpus Middle School administrators are investigating and will address it according to the district's code of conduct. You can find the full statement in this story on WVTM13.com. In Hoover, Zoe Blair, WVTM 13.
Zoe did reach out to Hoover City Schools to try to get footage from inside the bus, but the school system denied the request to protect privacy and confidentiality of the students on board.